Hey guys, so new huge meme coin is coming really soon. Here you can see Cointelegraph. Cointelegraph posted this. Ronaldinho hints at launching his own crypto token. Now, who is Ronaldinho? Here you can see he posted this 21 hours ago. So he's one of the biggest football players in the world, one of the most famous ones. He's retired, but he has 21 million followers right here. And he posted this. There were 1.3 million views, which is insane. And here you can see that I don't have any official tokens yet, which means that he will be creating one. For the entire crypto community, stay tuned because very soon we will have big news here. So, huge crypto coin, meme coin is coming. Now, where he will drop Solana, BNB or Base or Ethereum, we don't know. I think 99% chance that it will be dropped on Solana because Solana is the most active, the biggest for meme coins. And we know that all the celebrities have dropped. 99% of celebrities have dropped on Solana. Now, if he drops on Solana, first thing you want to do is go on Bullex. This platform is the best platform for buying and selling Solana meme coins and crypto overall. This is invite only. That's why invite link is in the description and in the comment section. And I will explain you why you want to use this instead of Phantom Wallet or Jupiter Radium. Is because here you can see you can set your own fees, your gas fees, your buy bribe. Now, what this means is, for example, if you are buying with Phantom Wallet or on Jupiter or Radium, when you are buying meme coins in general, you are competing with hundreds, even thousands or hundreds of thousands of people buying the coin. Now, when people are buying on Phantom or Jupiter or on the centralized exchange, they cannot set their gas fees, which means that they will have some low basic fee. And when hundreds of thousands of people are buying and basically trying to buy, most of the time Solana gets so congested that you can even not fulfill your transactions. The transactions fail on Phantom Wallet, on Jupiter, and you have to sign transaction, you have to sign the basically swap transaction, you have to sign the approval transaction, which takes minutes. And if it fails, it can take up to 5 to 10 minutes. And if it drops, you want to buy instantly. And how you can buy instantly on this platform, you have to set your for example, this is already high gas fee. This is quite low, but if he drops a token, you want to set it around this. If, for example, Trump drops another coin, you want to set it even higher because there will be more people, and many people that are using this platform will be definitely setting up higher. Because what happens is when you set the gas fee higher, you are buying before hundreds of thousands of people because your gas fee will go through first. And imagine you buy token, only after that hundreds of thousands of people buy, which means that your buy will be basically pumping higher and higher, while other people will be buying after you. You can also set your slippage limit by Mu protection, which means that bots don't front run you. And you can set your buy bribe. I will leave this to this one. I think this is okay for a Ronaldinho coin, like 0.05. So again, invite link is in the description and in the comment section. Now, if you want to catch the tweet as fast as possible, you can just go on his profile, refresh, which is really slow way to track it. A faster way to track it is easy. For this, you'll need a premium. You go on premium, you go on X Pro. Now, why X Pro? And most people don't know about this X Pro, but this is a really great tool on Twitter, on X. This means, this X Pro means that you can create a different list. You can create lists with multiple people. For example, I have my Memecoin list. I have daily news. I have top crypto, venture capital investors. Now, I have created lists for specific people, for Dave Portnoy, because he is creating meme coins almost every week. I am following Jorgen and Ronaldinho. Now, why you want to follow, create lists, is because these will update automatically. You don't have to refresh, you don't have to scroll, you don't have to do anything. It will just pop on here in seconds as he tweets it. And for example, he tweets a contract address. you automatically copy it, go on Bullex, go on search, and paste your contract address. And for example, if you want to start using this Bullex application, first thing you want to do is go on Wallet Manager, and here you will be able to add funds. So add funds, and you want to send Solana only here. You will copy your wallet address, and if you have Solana on Phantom or on Coinbase or BNB, you will want to send Solana right here, and that's how you fund your wallet. Now, if he doesn't drop on Solana and he drops on BNB, because many people think he will drop on Binance chain, you want to go on PancakeSwap. This is the main BNB exchange, which is decentralized exchange. And for example, he drops a contract address on his X, it pops off here. You go on PancakeSwap, you go on here and you paste the contract address here. And yeah, you do the swap. And the same for if he drops on, for example, Base, you go on Uniswap, you will press here. Here you will select the chain. For example, you can do transactions on Base, BNB. So if he drops on Base, you just click Base. You will choose Ethereum, so you have some Ethereum on Base. And here you will basically paste the contract address and buy the Ronaldinho coin. But I think 99% of the chance is that he will drop on Solana. And yeah, overall looking, Bitcoin and the whole crypto markets are going back up from the 79,000 mark. Here you can see everything is pumping back. Hopefully we will pump to new all-time highs. And that's why I think the higher we pump, the higher the chance that Ronaldinho will drop his token pretty soon. And I think we still have to wait for the crypto to pump back, for Kanye to drop his token. And again, this is the best tool. You can track tweets. You can follow Dave Portnoy. He has been talking about greed, his meme coin. Kanye West, if he drops a coin, which will most likely be on Solana as well, I will see it. Go on Bullex, paste it. I have my fees already set. I will just enter the Solana, how much Solana I want to spend on this, and just buy. And that's it. This is easiest for people that are not professionals in this space. That's why, again, that's how you buy Ronaldinho coin when he drops one. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss any upcoming crypto NFT airdrop alpha, press the like, press the subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.